Hey my amazing people, it's Joyce here and I hope you had a great day. Today I'm going to do a video on high income skills and why you need them. For those who don't know me, I do videos based on online marketing and online money making, and I give tips on how you can generate an income online. So if you like such contents, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos, and let's get started. High income skills. High income skills are those skills that will allow you to be successful in your life and make you a lot of money in your business. These skills should be able to provide people value in a way that you are able to leverage those skills to get yourself an income. But not just any income, it should be a high income. Well, these skills, guys, they are not something you learn in a day and start to get money the next day. It takes time, patience, and hard work to be able to develop and to really leverage it. Let's get to know what are the high income skills. To start, I would like to take a successful entrepreneur as an example to let you know about these skills. Dan Lok, who is a very successful online entrepreneur, said in one of his videos that he became successful by leveraging his copywriting skills, which he developed in his early 20s. Well, his copywriting skills was one of his first high income skills. Now, with a number of people appreciating the value of his work, they started to ask him questions on how they could work with their copywriting. And through that, he was able to develop his second high income skill, which was consulting. With consulting, he started to teach and guide a massive group of people, and later on developed his third high income skill, which was public speaking. He then went on doing his public speaking on the platforms of different entrepreneurs, where he was able to sell his valuable products and services, and then developed his fourth high income skill, which was platform selling. Now, most successful people and successful entrepreneurs do that in order to get more money. So they tend to sell products and services of really high value. So thus, they developed another set of skills, which is high ticket selling skill. Now, let me elaborate more on the high income skills. Number one is copywriting. Copywriting is the ability to turn words into money. What I mean is that copywriting has the power to make people buy from you. Examples of copywriting are writing ads on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The next is writing emails for email marketing, or writing landing pages on funnels for people selling stuff. And guys, do check out the free book in my description that I recommend for copywriting. It's from Jim Edwards, and you will get to know the words that made him earn over 7 figures. Number two is consulting or coaching. Now, people who really want to achieve success, they're not going to reinvent the wheel. They will always want to seek help with successful people and model what they are already doing. And here comes consultants and coaches. They are able to get clients' result, and they charge thousands for their services because they are investing the valuable time in doing so. The platform where I got this amazing education has some really amazing coaches, and they are really awesome and charge a really reasonable price. Next is 3, the public speaking skill. This skill allows you to speak, educate, and connect with the audience. It allows you to add value by sharing your expertise or authority in a space to help your audience. One of the best public speakers that I have come to respect and aspire to be like is Russell Brunson, the CEO and owner of ClickFunnels, a great guy. There are also other great speakers such as Tony Robbins, Mark Cuban, and Oprah Winfrey. And their speaking fees are all 6 figures. Why? It's simple. Because they have developed this high income skill called public speaking. Number 4 is platform selling with high ticket selling. With public speaking skills, guys, you are not only able to speak, educate, and connect to your audience, but also convince them to take actions such as buying your valuable products and services. And that skill is known as platform selling. What is more amazing is making that audience buy a product costing between 1,000 to 2,000 or maybe more. This high income skill is also known as high ticket selling or high closing. At the conference hosted by Grant Cardone in 2018, Russell Brunson was able to sell 3.2 billion in 90 minutes on stage. Now, that's how a high income skill is able to generate you. Now, there are other high income skills which many successful entrepreneurs have and they make use of, such as lead generation, digital marketing, and investing, and so on. Now, guys, it's true these high income skills are awesome, and I'm not telling you guys to go ahead and learn all of them. High income skills take time to cultivate and to elevate them at a high level so that you are able to leverage them at a high value. Bruce Lee once said, "I do not fear the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." So what I recommend is to take your time to learn, to master, and to be awesome at one skill at a time. And guys, your skills can be anything like I just talked about, or it can be anything like I haven't talked about. You can be a karate teacher, a golf instructor, a music or dance teacher. If these skills are able to generate you high income, then they are your high income skills, guys. So I hope you found value in what you just watched. If so, then please do leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you're wanting to start an online business and don't know how to start, do check out my #1 recommendation. And there are also other links I recommend, such as the Funnel Hacker web class of ClickFunnels. Do check them out. Before you leave, do smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.